Evening, folks. I wanted to introduce everybody into the latest Brothers and Patriots bike that's getting ready to go home. As you can see, it is beautiful. A couple things to note on it. 180, fat front tire. Looks beautiful. The paint, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Slick, sick paint. Top shop rear end, stretched fender, stretched bags. It's the real deal. And probably to me, the most important thing about this bike from my perspective is the fact that this is not an all hat, no cattle bike. It's pretty, but it's got the engine and the guts to go with it too. It's got a 128 cubic inch motor in it, S&S cylinders, CP pistons, Ward heads, a Ward polished intake, along with a Harley 64 millimeter fuel injection system, S&S cam plate, S&S oil pump, and S&S tappet cuffs. Of course, my opinion, the only exhaust, D&D. As far as the cam, it's a wood 408 cam. It's a great cam. 248 on the intake and exhaust side of the duration, with a very, very close center line that makes the bike sound fantastic and makes the throttle response very, very snappy. So let's start it up and see what you guys think.